I'm on the wave, I'm on the wave. 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 Hey babes, so here's what you're gonna need for today's tutorial. You need some good old water, some Gorilla Glue, I'll explain later. You need a hard bristle brush, something to tie your hair down. And amongst my other secret weapons, I'm gonna use some Topic hair building fibers for my edges. So I can explain, my hair is a little bit, I wouldn't say it's dirty, but it definitely has buildup. I've been wearing my wig and stuff. It hasn't even been a week, but I know like if you're a wig wearer or you style your hair a lot, you know that sometimes product gets on your hair even though it's not necessarily wash day. So this is a perfect style for dirty hair, especially when you gotta go to work the next morning. So one of my secret weapons I use whenever my hair has product buildup is this Carol's Daughter protective style. It kind of clarifies your hair and it really loosens up the buildup, which is why I love this. So once I get to brushing my hair, all that product in my hair will kind of disappear and my scalp will be clear. So I love that, you guys. Okay, so we're doing a low ponytail and I'm digging a side part lately. So I'm going to get that situated. You need some water. It makes my hair more malleable. Is that a word for natural hair? But anyways, it makes my natural hair more manageable. When my hair is wet, I can get it to do anything I want it to. And lately, you guys, I've been loving Gorilla Glue as gel. And it's kind of underrated like how good this is on natural hair because it doesn't make my hair hard for some reason. When I put Gorilla Glue and water in my hair is just brushing out so nicely and it defines my natural curls. So yeah, lately I've been loving Gorilla Glue. And y'all, guess what? This does not leave a buildup in your hair. I used to use the Got To Be Glue gel, the clear one, for extra hold. But sometimes it can leave a buildup, especially when I'm rushing it and I don't take my time to really style my hair. But yeah, the Gorilla Glue, guys, is so easy and yeah, it holds. It really does hold. And what I do for my short hair, because I'm kind of in between cutting off like damaged ends, so my hair is all kinds of butchered. So I just do it in sections. And if you want a side part, all you gotta do is take your time, put a little water, put a little gel, and you brush it a little bit at a time. So once that's nice and situated, you can pin it down and brush it all together. And honestly, guys, this will probably take the longest and it doesn't take long at all. This style can take no more than like 5-10 minutes. You just brush it into a ponytail, tie down your edges, and yeah, you're ready to go. But stay tuned because y'all are gonna be so shook. So yeah, you're gonna see this style come together right before your eyes. And guys, don't be afraid to go in and fix whatever mistakes you made. Brush it, add some water, add some product as necessary, and get your ponytail as flawless as you want it. Probably blow a check. Tomorrow man, I gonna have no regrets. Baby, what you doing here tonight? Pull up in the Lambo, show you this life. Give you what you want, you don't gotta think twice. We gon' make a movie, ain't that what you like? Ain't that what you like? We gon' make a movie, ain't that what you like? Move your body like a snake, girl. Bring your body, come here, Miss Pretty Pie. The way you move your body, girl, me lose my mind. Way me love you up, me never late me pan time. I be your hot gal and them I show off the wine. The way you move your body, every man happy flock. Shake it to the ground and then you bring it to the top. When you put it in a slow-mo, the one place stop. Talking to me? Baby, what you doing here tonight? Pull up in the Lambo, show you this life. Give you what you want, you don't gotta think twice. We gon' make a movie, ain't that what you like? Oh my gosh, girls. So something I've been loving lately is just trying something new with my edges. I've been loving like the swoop edges. Not really swooping, but like all kinds of S's and swirls, and I feel like it gives so much more structure to my styles. And this part is so subjective, you guys. You don't have to follow a trend or anything like that. I'm just having fun with my hair, and this is one of the first few times I'm doing the swirl edges. And yeah, it took me a while, but y'all will see at the end that it eventually worked out. Make sure you have a good edge brush if you want to try some designs on your edges. So you want to tie that down for like, I don't know, 10 minutes. Do your makeup, get ready, call your date and tell them you'll be late, because us girls take forever to get ready. So yeah, you guys, so see, like, my hair does not look dirty at all. Like that protective style cream or gel or whatever I used earlier, that is like the bomb. And as you can see, my edges came out okay. It turned out for your girl. So you guys, so the next secret weapon I have is a good old dusty, I'm talking old ponytail that I had from, I don't even know what year, you guys. So this is like an old puff ponytail. I will put the link in the description below for you guys. And yeah, you can find it on Amazon Prime, I'm pretty sure. Just have it delivered to your house like in 2 days. So easy. And this is in the color number 2, because my hair isn't the darkest of black. When gel and product is applied, it gets a little darker, but it's not quite black. So, and I kind of size it to see like what direction I want it. I want to install the ponytail. You can put it higher, you can put it lower. It is so up to you. And of course, you want to pull that drawstring, put the combs in nice and secure. And as you can see, it's like an instant transformation. My hair looks so fluffy, and putting that the topic fibers on my edges makes my edges look kind of darker, because my edges are still light brown. So yeah, look how thick my hair looks, and it's laid down, and it was so quick, and I totally transformed a dirty hair day. So if you have a bad hair day, you guys, and you have natural hair or even relaxed hair, try this trick. Of course, you can switch out the ponytail, do your edges any way you want. Change the part, put it high, put it low. It is all up to you. So I surely hope this tutorial inspires you guys to turn a bad hair day completely 180. Turn it around, girl, and I will see y'all in the next video. Make sure you take care of yourself, okay? And don't forget to subscribe. Bye, everyone.